Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $1 to $50 over and over again, unlimited amounts, and earn some PayPal cash. And this is going to be an easy way to earn PayPal cash. And not only that, it's going to earn in a passive way. So let me get started right now. Alright guys, in today's method, it's going to be worldwide, okay? It's going to be available for a lot of people, and it's 16 and up, so teenagers can be involved with this. And if you're 13 to 15, then I think if you just have your parents or an adult set up for you, you could totally do this and have them get paid out, have them set up your bank accounts for you. This is going to be easy because you're not even going to need to do any selling, okay? So that's called easy. And you don't need any experience, and you're going to need PayPal or a bank account if you're in these countries, or you could just use PayPal. Is basically whoever has access to PayPal, you can use this. So this is why this is going to be worldwide, and so this should be available for a lot of you guys. But of course, there may be some of you who don't like this method, and in that case, then check out the second link in my video description for a much better way, and it's a way that I use myself to make money online using this business model that also produces passive online income, where you can actually learn some online skills and really rocket an online business for yourself like I have. So if you want to follow my path, check that out in the second link in the video description. Okay, so let's show you the site I'm talking about here. Okay, it's going to be at Redbubble, at redbubble.com. This is a print-on-demand website, meaning this is also a marketplace, which is a very important piece of the puzzle, guys, okay? When it's a marketplace, you don't need to do the selling. They do the selling. They put on ads, they drive traffic, they get ranked on search engines. So you don't even have to build a shop and advertise. You just need to add designs, okay? So you don't even have to get the products, you don't have to make the products, you don't have to ship the products, you don't have to do payment processing, you don't have to deal with customers. This is why this is going to be an easy method if you want to sell a product on redbubble.com. And they have tons of different designs for you to check out. Look at all the different products that they have available for you to sell. Okay, so what this site is that they really concentrate on selling artists' artwork. But you don't have to be an artist. You could literally pay somebody if you have money to invest. So this can be free, or you could pay a little bit of money and have somebody do the designs for you. And then you could just upload it and price it the way you want and make money. Okay, that's that simple. The products are amazing here. You got, water bottles, t-shirts, just posters, artwork. So you can have your artwork on anything that you can think of, basically. They even have kids' clothes, bedding stuff, or home and living, phone cases, all sorts of accessories and stationery and gifts that you can put your designs on. And you can even have a whole shirt done for you like that. So what's great about Redbubble is that they will handle everything, and all you're doing is supplying the artwork, okay? That's all you are doing. So if you are somebody who is really good at, drawing or making artwork, you could do it by hand, you could do it on your computer. It really doesn't matter how the artwork is generated, as long as I believe it needs to be original, of course. And if you have somebody make it for you, they need to also give you the copyright. So you just need to make sure that whoever designs for you will allow you to sell it, okay? So I want to show you how this works, and all you gotta do is let's click on this sell your art button link on the top right, and here is the page that you're going to need to kind of study. Okay, so a global marketplace for independent artists, and this is a little video about what this is about. But look at the product range. Is everything that you want to sell. Basically, your art always belongs to you, so you would never lose your own copyright of your artwork. And then Redbubble gives you total control what you can sell your art for, and current Redbubble artists actually earn an average of 17% of retail price. But whether it is 10 or 30%, you get to decide. How our base prices work. So there's a base price, which is going to be like the cost of them doing the customer service, cost of them doing the whole business, like producing the product for you, shipping the product for you, and everything involved. So that's going to be the base price. And then you can set your own margin, meaning this is the amount that you are going to actually make, but it's going to be set as a percentage of the base price. So if the base price is, say, $10, you could mark it up, and if you want to make $5 from that item, then you need to mark it up 50%, because 50% of $10 would be $5, and so the total price for the customer buying this product will be $15. So that's how it will work. So look at this. So all you gotta do, so your job is this one step, and their job is these other 4 steps. So that's why I say this is easy in this sense, and it will be even easier if you don't even do the design and go and buy it from somebody, right? So all you gotta do is get the artwork. Either you create it or get somebody else to create it, like on Fiverr.com or something like that, or Upwork.com or Freelancer.com or PeoplePerHour.com. So there's at least 4 resources I just told you where to buy it. And then all you gotta do is upload it to your Redbubble profile, choose your products, and set your pricing. Products can be found by the millions of people who visit Redbubble each month. Okay, or you can also, of course, sell it yourself if you want to make even more money. Okay, so they handle everything else. So once you upload it and you've set everything up, then you're done. Okay, then you'll be earning passive online income by letting them handle everything else. So they're going to market for you. They're going to, once things get sold, they're going to print it for you. They're going to deliver it for you. They're going to handle the money and everything like that. And then you're going to get paid. So people do want to check out how they are getting paid. So I just want to go over how the payment processes work. So you've officially made money. Life is sweet, isn't it? So basically, you got to set up the shop with the design. This is your only step, remember. And when the things get sold, then the order ships. Well, they make the product, and the orders get shipped. Then there's a pay cycle begins after it's shipped. So this pay cycle is very important because they're saying below here that once the order shipped, and it's only to this point when this pay cycle begins. So the official pay cycle begins every 15th of the month. You are paid for every shipped sale you made through once your earnings reach the payment threshold of $20. If your sales have not shipped by the 15th or reach the $20 threshold, they carry over to the next pay cycle. You can double check the sales ship date and your earnings in your sales history under the ship date column, and it's all in your dashboard basically. So orders that have been canceled before shipment do not get paid out at all. Also, there is not an option to be paid earlier than the regular pay cycle at this time. Okay, so once the pay cycle begins on the 15th, it will still take a few days for the payment to process. So for PayPal, it's going to be an additional 5 days. And if there's a bank account, it's 7 business days. So that's it for how it works. And there are a couple of things that I want to show you here. There are actually people making money from Redbubble, and I just want to show you just a few very short proof.
Just so you know where I am now, I've made over $600 on Redbubble.
And then this one has earned over $4,000, and this one over $2,000. And so people are making money, and some of these people who have made money, they have several sources of income, and it's not just from Redbubble. So if you were to just concentrate on Redbubble, then you may earn a lot more money than what these guys are doing, because I was listening to the whole thing, and they all have kind of different revenue streams. And that's the problem when people do that. When they have a bunch of different revenue streams, you are not concentrated on any single one, so you're not going to earn a lot. So instead of earning 4,000 a year, you could be earning 4,000 a month if you actually concentrated on Redbubble and actually uploaded a ton of designs. And you can, if you want, also if you were to market on your own, in addition to their marketing, you could make a lot more money. So these people are just using it for passive income, and they're not actively marketing these products themselves. So that is the advantage of marketing yourself. You can make a lot more money, of course. So you can definitely earn on this site, and this is what I want to show you today. But you know, if you don't want to sell anything like this or make your own product, that's kind of how I went away from this. Actually, I started using e-commerce when I started making money online, guys. But I didn't like the whole headache of being a shop owner, and you know, Redbubble is gonna take that away from you. So in that sense, I would, if I were to start over again in e-commerce, I would probably start with Redbubble and some other print-on-demand sites. There are many other print-on-demand ones as well. But, you know, there is actually a better business model that I've been using since 2016, guys, okay? And it's going to be not involving anything to do with my own products at all. So I have not needed to make my own product or sell my own product or think about my own product. And all I'm doing is using other people's products instead. So why should I make it when there's already tons of products online already? So that is the business model that I've been using, and you can check that out in the second link in the video description below. And so I hope you follow my path and make a lot more money. And remember, if you concentrate on one method, you can make a lot more money than spreading yourself thin across a bunch of different methods, which I don't do. So I hope you liked this video and gotten a lot of value from it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my videos come out. I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.